In a world that relies on the strength and determination of its workers, we honor the relentless spirit of those who build our world from the ground up. You're the ones swinging the hammers, turning the wrenches, the ones who go home dirty, greasy, and tired. But you wouldn't have it any other way. You wear your calluses with pride, a badge of honor for everything you've built.
We're going to take a load from the side.
None of this would be possible without hardworking people like you. Your dedication and grit are the foundation of our progress, and for that, we're eternally grateful. Here's to the builders, the dreamers, and the doers. Thank you for making our world a better place.